Just a decade ago, 3D printers were massive, expensive devices reserved for factories and well-heeled corporations. However, owing to the open-source 3D printing movement, these incredible technologies have become accessible and practical tools for designers, engineers, and even curious consumers. So, in today's video, we present you with the top 5 best 3D printers that are available in the market.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
The Creality Ender 3 Pro delivers a powerful punch in the shape of a low-cost machine with an almost limitless supply of readily available modifications to customize it to your specific requirements. The device is delivered as a kit that must be assembled, so set aside at least a few hours to build, test, and perhaps diagnose your new machine before using it. Since the Ender 3 Pro features a 350-watt power supply, the heated bed and nozzle heat up rapidly and maintain a consistent temperature when printing. This printer comes with a UL certified power supply that can heat the hot bed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes and protects your printer from unexpected power spikes. After a power loss, the printer can resume printing from the previous recorded extruder position. Additionally, it allows users to improve their printer based on the source code and share the improvements with the community, resulting in a better experience for all. Thanks to its decent build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, you can work easily with flexible materials. At 18.6 pounds, the device is very compact and lightweight, and each unit is provided with a lifetime technical assistance by the manufacturer. Overall, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is an excellent tool that is ideal for beginners looking to get started in 3D printing or professionals looking to create an inexpensive fleet of printers for manufacturing. The Flashforge Adventurer 3 Lite is a feature-rich 3D printer that surpasses many competitors while essentially offering the same set of functionality. This is one of the top 3D printers that is created with a straightforward unboxing and setup process in mind, making it an excellent solution for anyone who want to get started quickly and easily. Although the printer has a small build capacity of 150 mm cubed, which is smaller than the majority of the printers in this price category, yet it is sufficient for producing one or a few items at the same time. The semi-automated build platform, on the other hand, requires user input as the UI helps you through the process. Furthermore, the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to transfer sliced models to the machine without having to transport a USB stick or SD card. Thanks to a maximum power supply of 150 watt, the print bed can quickly reach 100 degrees Celsius. As the printer weighs only 27.2 pounds, you can carry it easily between rooms. At 45 decibels, this printer is very quiet and also easy to clean due to its detachable nozzle. At the bottom line, if you'd rather spend more time printing and less time adjusting your printer's mechanical assembly, the Adventurer 3 Lite can be a perfect option. The Anycubic Vyper is an outstanding 3D printer with a lot of features and rock-solid build construction. Silent stepper drivers, dual Z threaded rods, and high airflow powered cooling system are just a few of the many features that make the Vyper an easy choice for anyone interested in 3D printer. Also, the printer comes with a new 32-bit motherboard and a high-performance Cortex M3 architecture main control chip for faster computing and a smoother system. The motherboard now has both silent printing and precise voltage output control thanks to the incorporation of the TMC2209 silent driver. The unit has a two-way thermal management system with 2 fans, which helps objects cool down very quickly. In terms of controlling, the printer comes with a 4.3 inches large touchscreen and a new user interface that is efficient and easy to use. In addition to the LCD touchscreen, the printer includes an SD card and USB SD card reader, power and USB cables for transferring models from the PC. With a maximum power supply of 350 watt, the Vyper's heat bed can quickly reach up to 110 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its total build volume of 245 by 245 by 260 mm, it is possible to produce a large or few small items simultaneously. To sum up, the Anycubic Vyper is a recommendable 3D printer for its outstanding performance, efficiency, and user-friendly interface. The Elegoo Saturn is a large volume resin MSLA 3D printer that has found a way to offer increased build volume without sacrificing printing quality. By increasing both the size and the resolution of the masking mono LCD, the Elegoo Saturn is able to offer high XY resolution while increasing the total build volume. This is a typical 3D printer which utilizes a vat of resin, a masking LCD, a UV light source, and a single axis of movement. With a large printing volume of 192 by 120 by 200 mm, you can print multiple full-size models at the same time, which can dramatically improve your productivity. The device uses an 8.9-inch masking LCD with a resolution of 3840 by 2400, which gives it an effective XY resolution of 0.05 mm. Unlike most resin MSLA 3D printers, which use a single linear rail for the Z-axis, the Saturn uses a threaded lid screw and a pair of linear rails for added stability. The device uses a USB stick for transferring files to the printer as well as an Ethernet connection for adding the machine to a network. As for the power supply, the printer has a maximum wattage of 120 watt and its matrix light source consisting of 54 UV LED lights ensures superior printing results and a more accurate printing size. To conclude, if you're looking for a resin printer that offers a large build volume but you don't want to compromise with a lower quality print, then the Elegoo Saturn can be an ideal solution. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K resin 3D printer has a high resolution that is perfect for manufacturing finely detailed models, and it is compatible with the majority of 3D printing resin on the market. For the ideal printing experience, it is recommended to use Phrozen Aqua Gray 4K resin and water washable resins. This 3D printer has a chamber size of 132 by 73 by 130 mm, which is large enough to produce most 3D models. The device is also small and compact, making it easy to store and adapting to a range of situations for both personal and business use. The printer prints all your models at 35 micrometers with 722 ppi, which is the highest ppi ever, thanks to the 3840 by 2160 ultra high definition with 4K quality. As for the interface, the printer has a 6.1 inches monochrome LCD screen which allows a 3D printer to print up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers, and its rapid prototyping greatly improves printing quality and increases efficiency. In addition to that, this device has a low power consumption of 40 watt but still provides an outstanding performance by printing out each layer in only 2 seconds. As for the warranty, each unit comes with a 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support included. Overall, the The Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K is a printer that may work for your application if you want to print little models or items with as much fine detail as possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.